How to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. Now before I teach you guys how you can fix that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So, if you've uploaded a video on TikTok but it's not showing up on the For You feed, first thing that you'll need to make sure is that there is no copyright material on your video. If there is, you will need to delete it and again upload it without the copyrighted stuff. Else, what you can then do, the second solution is open up your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right, and after you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on that and you should then head over to your settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and after you do that, you'll now need to report a problem. So scroll down and there you should see a section called support and about, where you'll find report a problem. Tap on report a problem, and after you tap on report a problem, now you will need to find the related issue there. So tap on account and profile, expand there, and then tap on profile page. Then you can then head over to others option right here, and after you're on the others option, what you'll then need to do is tap on need more help at the bottom. After you tap on need more help, you will need to start explaining what's going on. So you'll need to tell TikTok that your video is original and still it's giving you that error. What you can also do is you can also take a screenshot of what happened and then you can send that there as well. So yeah, you will need to be more detailed than you normally are. So yeah, take a screenshot, type it in detail, everything there, and you'll need to convince them that there is no copyrighted material there. And doing that, after some time, TikTok will get back to you and then your problem will get fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.